Welcome to Lumii Meditation. This is your space for calm and healing, to breathe and to return to yourself. Just breath and presence. Find your light within, one breath at a time. If stress has been crowding your heart today, notice you don't have to fight it. Instead, you can sit with it gently, like sitting with a friend who is troubled. You offer patience, kindness, and space. This meditation is a way to let calm rise naturally from within you. You don't need to force it. You don't need to chase it. Just by sitting here, aware, the waters of the mind can clear. So, take a seat now. Let the spine grow tall but relaxed. Hands rest easily in your lap. And if it feels right, allow the eyes to close. Feel your body here. The weight of the feet touching the ground. The back supported. The shoulders softening, as if laying down a heavy bag. Now, notice your breath. Breathing in slowly. Breathing out gently. Breathing in. Breathing out. Nothing to change. Just awareness, like watching clouds drift across the sky. And when stress appears, those sensations, emotions, it's okay. Simply notice it and come back to this breath. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Picture stress as muddy water in a jar. When shaken, it crowds everything. But when the jar is placed down, the mud slowly settles, and the water becomes clear again. This is the nature of the mind. You don't need to clear it by force. You just sit still, breathe, and allow. Calm arises on its own. Stress is not permanent. It settles too. Now, return to the sense of the body sitting here. Notice the ground beneath you. The gentle air around your skin. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Take one final slow, deep breath in and exhale fully with ease. When you are ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining Lumii Meditation. Find your light within, one breath at a time.